Hi, my name is Maddie and I suffered from Lyme for over 4 years. I wanted to share one of my most valuable Lyme disease tips for everyone this year for Lyme Awareness Month. There are so many tips and pieces of advice I could give, but I think the most important one is to never stop advocating for yourself. When I got sick, I went from an extremely active and social teenager to bedridden with debilitating headaches and neurological symptoms. I knew my body and knew something was seriously wrong. I had endless doctors and specialists denying my experiences. I got told I was stressed, depressed, or it was all in my head. I wasn't given any medical explanation for my suffering over and over again. But I kept advocating for myself. I had to keep pushing even when I felt like giving up. And trust me, wanting to give up happened more times than I can count. I think when you suffer from a chronic illness, you get to know your body. You know when something is off or something changes. No matter how many doctors or people shut you down or don't believe you, keep advocating for yourself. Keep advocating for your health, and it will get better. Happy healing and happy Lyme Disease Awareness Month.